What's up, guys? Today we're going to make an American classic, cheeseburgers. This is the kind I grew up making. It's a onion smash burger, but if you like a little different recipe, feel free to adjust it however you like. We're going to start with our burger sauce. Half a cup of mayo, a little bit of mustard, half a cup of ketchup, and a little bit of garlic powder. And then we're going to stir it up. Make sure it's nice and smooth, just like that. Give it a little taste. Make sure you like it. This is going to go on the fries and the burger, so you want to make sure you like it. I'm going to thin slice some onions. I only used half an onion here, but really get them very thin. These are almost paper thin. That way they melt in the pan when we cook the burger later. We're going to smash up some garlic. This helps us chop it really fine. This is going to go into the meat, so you want to make sure you chop it really small so there's no big pieces in your meat patty. Just like that. And we're going to put it into our mixing bowl. There we go. We'll get about half a kilo of ground round. Feel free to use whatever beef you have, though. Half a kilo is about 1 pound of beef. We're going to throw a little bit of salt in here. Salt always should go in every dish you make. A little bit of black pepper. Pretty simple. A little bit of onion powder. These are all just whatever seems right to me, so if you like more or less seasoning, go with that. A little garlic powder here. Stir it up with our fingertips so we don't smash the burger too much. We want a nice consistency here. And just keep going until it's all incorporated in smoothly. We're going to put it out here so we can portion it out. I want to make 4 burgers, so we'll cut it in half and do it half the other way, and then we'll make little balls. We're going to make smash burgers, so you have to smash the burger ball down. For some reason, the hamburger buns here don't come cut in the Philippines, so I'm just going to cut these open, and then we're going to grill those. I got a little butter on them, so we're going to throw them in the pan, get a nice little toast on one side. I actually toasted both sides just so it's nice and crispy and warm. Just spin them around, pull it off. You can see it's not quite as crispy as I want, so we'll just keep it in there for another minute. When it's done to your liking, you pull it out and set it aside. Now we'll get started making the burger. We'll throw our onions in. You don't need any oil in here. The burger itself will release plenty of oil. And we sit the ball on top. It's that simple. This is really an Oklahoma-style onion burger, but they're super delicious. We'll throw our parchment paper on top and use our spatula to push it down. The thinner you can make the patty, the more crispy it's going to be. I'm going to use a cup here to get more pressure, just like that. All those little crispy edges is where the flavor is coming from. So smash it down, we'll pull off the paper, and we'll move it to the other one, just like that, nice and slow. Perfect. Use the spatula to peel it off if you need, and we'll try to give it a flip. We make a little mistake here, but that's fine. Everyone makes mistakes when you're cooking. It still tastes the same. There we go. Now we'll just move to the other one. Nice and easy. We're pretty much done here. We're going to put our cheese on top. I've got some red cheddar. Tastes really sharp, which I like. We'll throw the lid on to let it melt. And let's get to making our burger. We got our sauce, a nice little plate, some sour dill pickles. Those are a great accompaniment to burgers. If you like lettuce and tomato, you can add that. Some people like cucumbers too. Whatever you like. Put your sauce on both sides of the bun. Just like that. We'll throw our pickles on. So delicious, guys. We're almost done here. I forgot to get a video of tasting this, but I hope you get a chance to try it. It's super simple, super easy, and delicious. I made some fries in another video to go with this, so if you want fries to accompany it, watch that, and you'll get a good recipe for making those as well. We'll pull off our other burger, set it on the patty, and then we'll throw the lids on. I like to make sure I get all the onions out. Those are nice and crispy and flavorful right now. We'll throw the top on. One of them's upside down for some reason, but it still tastes delicious. Let's get a nice close-up of what it looks like. Hope you get a chance to make this, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.